everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Susie. For those of you who just joined in, hello there. I do makeup and personal style videos here on YouTube. If you reach the end of this video and you like the content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So for today's video, excited ako kasi magre-review tayo ng tools. Konting kwento, I have been wanting to buy the Real Techniques na pack. Pero guys, namahalan ako. Gusto ko sanang i-try out yung set of brushes na yon. Kaso, talagang ang price range niya nasa 1.2 na for that whole set. Mura na yon. Pero nagdalawang isip pa rin ako kasi mahal pa rin siya. Namamahalan pa rin ako in a way. Buti na lang, I have been using this particular brush. Let me just show you this one. This is my very first fresh K-Beauty Lab makeup brush. And the moment I tried this out last Christmas, I thought, ang galing ng performance nito. Kaya naman, nung medyo na-tempt tayo bumili ng Real Techniques na brush set, talagang sabi ko, wait, wag na. Dito na lang tayo sa mas mura. So I got these. Ta-da! So instead of me purchasing an 800 to 1,200 set of brushes, I got these instead for less than 500 pesos. Yes, guys. Everything for 500, including this one. So maybe no, not 500. About 600 pesos for these tools that I'm very, very excited to use today. So let me just unbox one. At pare-pareho naman sila ng lalagyan. So alam nyo na how it is. So it comes in this box, this very cute pink box. And then when you open it, syempre merong plastic thing that holds the brush. Like this. Yan. Okay, what I like about these brushes, super sarap ng bristles niya. Ayan, oh. I don't know exactly. I think it's synthetic hair. It's not horse hair or anything. It's really nice. It's really smooth on the face. This is, by the way, the Premium Powder Blush Brush. I will just tell which brush I am using along the way, okay? It has, you know, somehow like the Real Techniques brush. It has a two-tone color on the handle, except the Real Techniques is a bit more parang solid to. Medyo may pagkahalo yung loob. Parang walang laman. Ito parang may laman eh. Or parang siguro mas dense talaga siya. And because I got to use this one, I know that this is also very easy to clean, very easy to use. And for sure, it will be the same for these. I only saw one review of these brushes, kaya I wanted to do them for you today. So, let's go. Gawin na natin yung makeup na gusto natin gawin today para matry na natin itong mga brush na to. So, for the purpose of reviewing these brushes, I will no longer show you yung mga makeup techniques na hindi naman gagamit ng mga brushes na ito. So, let's start off with the BLK Radiant Glow Filter. Guys, for today's video, I will use this as the foundation because when I used this last night as a foundation, I was so impressed because it felt like parang pwede na siyang foundation because it gave me that very luminous effect. So unahin natin to, guys. It's the Fresh K-Beauty Lab Premium Expert Face Brush. So it's the same as the one I purchased last December. So you've seen me use this one in my other videos. Totoo yung sinasabi nila, you can just use one brush. Why did I use this as a foundation when it's really so super glowy? It achieved what I have been wanting to do lately, and that is to really show off my skin as skin. Kasi if you've seen my previous videos, you know that I've been struggling with yung maraming tapal na makeup. May foundation, may SPF, concealer, lahat-lahat. And parang yun yung nahihirapan ako lately, yung pagmadami. Parang nagre-react yung skin ko. So ngayon, try lang natin na ito lang. And this also has the ability to mattify with powder. So I'm gonna jump in now on the eyes. This is the premium. Lahat naman sila premium. It's Premium Eyeshadow Crease Brush. This is like the cutest thing ever. Guys, I use a lot of brushes because ayoko lang silang maghalo. Pero ito, ang purpose daw nito ay iisa lang. One and done, or ito lang ang gagamitin mo na brush for every color that you will use. So, let's see first kung okay ngang gawin yon. I'm gonna use the Milani. This is the Gilded Mini eyeshadow palette, and with the lightest shade here. Okay, why did we do this? Naglagay kasi ako ng product dyan, di ba? Naglagay ako ng fill, and we applied the base so that hindi na mag-crease, and also matulungan yung susunod na shade na i-apply natin. This shade here, again, one brush siya. Let's see. Parang one color muna before you move on to the next, and you apply it on both eyes na. Alam mo, ang sarap niya sa mata. And then last, with the gold, this is the gold one that we're gonna use today. I'm just gonna like lightly add some shimmer to the eyes. Hanggang sa brow bone na siya. There. So, ang ganda. Tsaka, perfect yung haba talaga na sakto kasi yung mga brushes talaga na ganito, no? Yung sakto lang yung haba, hindi yung sobrang, tsaka compact enough or short enough that you can put it in your bag if you need to go out somewhere at gusto mo magdala ng makeup brushes. Parang okay lang siya. I'm gonna finish off some of my eyes and a little bit of other stuff before we move on to the other brushes. So, please stay with me, okay? I'm gonna be back. So before I finish off the eyes, I'm gonna go back to the brush, okay? And let's see kung kaya ba niyang gawin yung application dito sa ilalim. Enough na ba talaga tong brush na iisa lang na to para dun sa technique na yon? So with the darkest shade in this palette, I'm gonna go in. Oh, it's quite hard. Kinda hard. Okay, that one, hindi niya kayang gawin. Nagka-eyebags ako. Okay, guys, just here. Not underneath, okay? Don't do what I did now because hindi niya kaya. Pero for the purpose na pareho sila ng itsura, okay, let me just... Okay, don't go directly like what I did here. So instead of using my NARS, let's use my Maybelline Fit Me because nga pala, this is the one that I used last night. Let me just use the puff first. I really wanted to try the triangle puffs, pero wala kasing triangle puff itong K-Beauty Lab. Dapat yata meron kayo nun, no? If you're listening, if you've ever come across my video, just FYI. So with the small one, my only concern here is that it is so tiny. Ang tagal bago ko ma-achieve yung buong face. Pero, okay, I get that. Ganda. Parang you're getting a really precise, though it's gonna take longer, right? Because it's so small. It's not achieving like a big, ang tagal, yun lang. Naiinip ako. Pero, ang precise naman niya, talagang it will help you cover all the bases of your face. It is so tiny, and it forces you to just go into your skin with a little bit more precision because it's so small. But I feel like nabibitin ako sa kanya. So now we're gonna move on to the setting face brush, and we're gonna go into that's more like it. Okay, now I love that. Sarap nun ah. Wow. Okay, that's a good one. So guys, I am putting enough powder because this BLK Radiant Filter needs to mattify for me para magamit ko as a daily foundation. I'm trying out all sorts of techniques with the brush para malaman ko. Ang kagandahan lang talaga nito is it's precise in the small areas of your face. Ang ganda ng kalat ng product sa kanya. I love it. So next, we're gonna move on now to Premium Powder Blush Brush. Ito siya. So this is it. And we're gonna use the Milani to achieve yet another luminous or dewy effect on my skin. It's going to be this one. Before I go directly, I tap first and then just sweep up. You know, this can be a powder brush. But maybe do it or mag-powder ka muna and then put on blush. Kasi definitely, malalagyan na siya ng color. So, the problem lang I noticed with blush. Hindi na ako dumaan sa hand ko. Okay. Now it has more color kasi hindi na ako dumaan sa kamay. Bigger talaga yung area na tinatamaan niya. Hindi siya ganun ka-precise. Okay, I love it. I love these brushes. They're so good. And cheap. Ganun pala. Lalo na kung isang kulay lang gagamitin mo. Like today, ito lang gusto kong gamitin yung Milani ko na baked blush. Okay, next. In the past, I used this as a contour brush also. Ngayon, try natin with the bronzer. Guys, minimix ko na sila. So, pwede rin pala, talaga. Ito yung gusto kong ginagawa sa bronzer Ayoko ng... Okay din to with cream bronzers, liquid bronzers, or liquid contour, okay din siya. Diba? Galing din. Okay, I love it. Nice. We're actually done. We've already used all 5 tools for my face. Let me just put on lipstick and show you the final results. So, alright! This is the final look. Alam mo, nakakatuwa itong naging outcome ng paglagay ko ng makeup ngayon. Kasi medyo hindi ko talaga inisip yung makeup because gusto ko lang talaga matry yung brushes. So, itong lipstick na to, na tsempohan ko lang talaga, I actually used the Issey Solar Glide and the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Medium lipstick. And it looked like a really 90s makeup look. And I like it. Along with my earrings and my grunge Smashing Pumpkins t-shirt, and I love it. I like the look today. And how do I actually feel after using these amazing tools today? Mag-start tayo sa least favorite ko. Ito. It's so small. I do have a bigger puff, but it's not from the same brand. And yun, parang gusto ko yun. Although wait, even if this is my least favorite, only because ang tagal mo matapos mag-powder because of it. But the only good thing about this is that it is so precise. Like, if you have the time to put on makeup, this is like a really good one na, you can be gentle with your skin. You can really be precise with your makeup. And I really know it. I know that the makeup is really locked in with the powder because of this puff. Next is the blush brush. Okay, guys, let me just compare. Nakakatuwa lang talaga sa Real Techniques. I really love this part. The only not so cool part of the Real Techniques is this part because it tends to get really muggy and parang nagiging malagkit siya kapag hindi mo siya nilinis properly. But nasa high-end na rin to, you can say. Mahal na rin siya, pero it's still affordable even if it's in that price point of 1,000 and below. Okay, 800 to 1,500 to 2,000 siguro ang pinaka-max. Pag maramihan na rin yung bibilin mo, aabot ka nga ng ganun. Pero sulit siya. Okay, to compare, okay, ilapit natin siya dito sa handle nito. Ang gusto ko sa Real Techniques brush, very dense yung body. So, siguro for a little bit more, yun yung makukuha mo talaga sa kanya, yung grip nito. Tapos ito, ganun din. Ito kasi hollow. Ayan o. Parang walang laman talaga sa loob. Pero ito, alam kong hindi ito magiging muggy, hindi mahuhugasan mo to properly, at yun lang yung lamang nito dito. Kasi ito talaga, pag tagal, nagiging parang malagkit kapag hindi mo nilinis ng maayos yung brushes mo. But despite the difference, mas dense talaga ang Real Techniques for the price of this and for what it is achieving, which is na-appreciate ko siya dito sa blush area ko. Okay na to. Okay itong brush na to. For 150 pesos. Sobrang okay na siya. Pero I think it all depends on what type of brush you will be using. Especially if yung mga angled brushes na ganito. I would want angled brushes to be more dense. So I don't like angled brushes na magiging ganito. Ito talaga, it is meant to sweep your blush ng ganito lang. Parang it's not for you to be precise like this one, 'di ba? So for the effort, for the technique that you need to do with this brush, this is still a 9 out of 10 or a 10 out of 10. Nobody gives a perfect score, no, but it's still a really great blush brush to use. Okay, next. Ito yung sunod ko. It's the eyes. Okay, para sa isang tool and then ito yung na-achieve niya sa mata ko, okay na rin. Parang, para hindi ka rin, kasi tinan mo yung aking mga eye makeup brushes, napakadami. Only because, na-OC ako, gusto kong isang kulay lang sa isang brush ang gagamitin. Pero kung kunyari nga, gusto mo lang magdala ng iisang tool, pwede na to. Ang ganda naman ng na-achieve. Malaki kasi siya. Pero yun nga, be careful sa area na to kung gusto mong gamitin siya na dito ka lang talaga maglalagay. Tapos, make sure, once you apply on the palette, put it on top muna para lang yung product ay kumalat ng husto. Tapos saka mo ilagay. Saka mo gawin. Pero hindi siya precise kapag dito sa ilalim. It is really just meant for you to use it on top. Tsaka dito sa brow bone. Yan yung mga purpose niya. For sure, because I get so OC, babalik ako dun sa mga brushes ko. But let's see in the next few videos, kung ito lang talaga gagamitin ko, tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. And then next. Galing! For the price point, again, I think this is only 129. I don't know if this is the cheapest. Again, I will link everything. It did, when I sweeped it here, yung powder, sabi ko, ang galing. Kasi parang nakuha niya yung product, yung pickup niya magaling, na pag dito, paglagay mo, talagang alam mo na ang sarap nung pakiramdam na parang na-sweep niya talaga yung powder sa ilalim ng eyes. I really like that in a brush. Like, I don't want it to pick up product and then parang kalat-kalat din yung pakiramdam niya pag in-apply mo na. Ito talaga, it did the work. It was so precise. Even the size, I love it. Like, I know for sure that I will apply here. Gagamit na ako ng bigger puff. Kung gusto ko talaga loose powder, I will use a bigger brush para talaga mas malaki yung coverage na makuha ko. Pero ito, kung gusto kong i-make sure na itong area na to, tsaka yung mga sa mga side ng nose, ito ang gagamitin ko. You know what? I have a brush that I also bring during travels. That's the OVW. That is also a small powder brush and it also does the work. But this one, for some reason, it just did it. I don't know. Iba. The last brush, but definitely my favorite, it's the Premium Expert Face Brush. Whenever I watch influencers or beauty vloggers try out yung mga expensive brushes, I always just look into Shopee if they already have like a version of it. One of those was this brush. Sorry, madumi. I really like how it's a flat on top. It's super dense. Ang galing niya mag-spread out ng foundation. Like, itong particular brush na to. And this one is also OVW, by the way. And it's super dense. And I really, really love this. When I tried this one, it also does the work. Even if it's small. Like, it feels really small. But when it presses into your skin like that, like, it does the job. And aside from foundation, you can use this for contour. Even though it really just meant for foundation, ang galing ng coverage na nakukuha nito. Ang galing ng pickup ng product, ang galing ng spread niya sa face. Like right now, I am loving how the BLK Radiant Filter really looks, ayan na siya, nag-set na siya along with the powder sa mirror. Kinakabahan ako sa camera. I just hope maganda. But here, outside of cam, I love how luminous my face is right now. Guys, ngayon, nako-compare ko na. Like, for instance, the OG foundation brush from years ago is this. Ngayon, hindi na siya okay sa akin kasi ayoko nang maglagay ng foundation ng paganon. Parang ayoko na siya i-swipe. Gusto ko na lang talaga siyang i-pat. Mas yun ang gusto kong gawin with foundation kasi parang mas kalat yung product, mas maganda yung lapat sa skin, mas maganda yung application, na sometimes ang tendency ng mga flat brushes na to is to just, yun nga parang it's to swipe. And it's so hard also to do a tapping motion on this because it's so flat. That's why you need brushes like these or like the OVM ones na ganito para mas makuha mo yung coverage ng foundation. And kung i-compare ko silang dalawa, itong dalawa, pareho sila ng work na nakakagulat dito. Kasi ito, parang iisipin mo, mas malaki yung nakukuha niyang space, sinukuha niyang area. Ito, mas maliit. Pero ito, namimimic niya ito. Kaya sobra kong na-appreciate itong brush na to. And guys, for the price point of these brushes, I have to say, they're awesome. They're pretty good. And lalo na kung if you're one of those na nagtitipid sa tools and you don't wanna invest in really expensive brushes like me. I don't have super expensive brushes. I only have those that were given. Go for these. Okay sila. They do the job. They're a really good mimic or a dupe of the Real Techniques one. But of course, the Real Techniques, syempre, it has its own character. Yung longevity niya, this one, tingnan natin. Yun ang susubukan natin ngayon kung gaano sila katagal. Because definitely, itong mga Real Techniques brushes ko, like I purchased these, 2016 ko pa sila nabili at hanggang ngayon ginagamit ko pa rin sila. Yun lang ang kagandahan ng Real Techniques, sigurado ka sa quality. Yan ang gagawin natin with these ones. We will try them out and wear them out and let's see gaano sila katagal. So that is it for today's video. I really hope na nag-enjoy kayo as I reviewed these fresh K-Beauty premium face brushes. And if you've tried them out and if you bought them because of this video, please let me know in the comments below kung ano yung naging experience nyo, kung maganda ba, happy ba kayo sa purchase nyo. Also, kung meron kayong mga makeup techniques or makeup you'd like me to review or try out for you, please comment down below so that in the future I may be able to do a video that you suggested. So, thank you once again, and I sure hope to see you again on the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye!